Hey friends, welcome to our channel. Today we introduce a type of new work plastic box. It's featured as easy installation, and it is usually used in housing decorative industry and light commercial projects. Look, this plastic box has 2 nails, which is used to fix the position of the box. Watch carefully. These 2 little knobs are key for perfect alignment against the stud. Now, I will show you how to install it. First, mark your spot. I'm at 16 inches off the ground here, so you guys can go ahead and adjust it to your actual location. Outlets are commonly installed about 12 to 18 inches above the finished floor. Then, set it against the wall stud and push it in until it hits the knobs. Finally, nail it down. Okay, this plastic box is perfectly installed. It's simple and functional. Thanks for watching. More information about our products, please visit our website.